In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to activate Haki in C's Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In C's Battlegrounds, you will be able to activate your Haki when you are playing as Luffy. So you will be able to do it as the default character. Immediately upon joining the experience, they should already be selected by default, and you will be able to attack opponents with your 4 moves. So you have Pinwheel, Hawk Gatling, Hawk Bullet, and Battle Axe. You will be able to use your Haki in some of these. So when you use Hawk Gatling, you will be able to actually activate a Haki. So as you can see, you will make a series of quick punches with your Buso Shoku Haki. So this is one of the Hakis that they have. You can also use Hawk Bullet over here. And of course, at the last spot, Battle Axe, you can also use the Buso Shoku Haki to do this axe move that knocks your opponent back and throws them up. You can also awaken, so if you fill out this bar here, you will be able to go into your Gear 5th form, and you will have new moves where you might also be able to activate your Haki. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. You can activate your Haki in these moves, primarily the Buso Shoku Haki, and you will be able to see it go off when you attack other players or dummies. They can also be included in the other character movesets, but for this video, I'm mostly going to showcase only Luffy or Gear 5. So I'm going to fill out the Awaken bar to show you some other moves. So you will have access to 4 different moves that you can also use to attack your opponents. As you can see, this is what they look like, and eventually you will be able to activate Badgering Gun by filling out that bar at the left side and pressing G to use your ultimate ability. You will be able to use your Haki in various different moves to do a lot of damage when playing as Luffy or any other character in C's Battlegrounds. So all that you have to do is fill out the Awakening bar and use those abilities. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Haki in C's Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.